What? That officer was cute.
Okay. So you want over easy egg and the egg white both, right?
Yeah, like put them together actually if you can, or just
Sure. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Vacation by Polo Park on Ellis. I'm not very hopeful today. Oh, that's not cute. Ooh, this is kind of cute. Hermes style. It's very Hermes-ish. This is genuine leather. Oh my god, $49.99? 30% off though. I mean, it's so Birkin-ish and it's in great condition. Oh my god, the inside is like leather too. This will sell. We're gonna get it. I just need to stuff it and reshape it. It's very like Birkin style. I remember there was like a white one. A lot of people love it. Hi, I'm using the bag. It's this one. This leather. Oh, it's Forever 21. But I'm actually happy with this. It's like Birkin-ish. Oh, so cute. Look how cute that is. You just have to shape it back to life. Imagine if this was a Birkin. It'd be like $10,000. It's really solidly made too. Did you find it?
Is this the same one that you have?
Yes.
Exact same? Okay.
Pretty sure it is. Or you can go in the car and get it if you want. To compare it. I could hold on to it and you can go get it.
Yeah, okay. Just to make sure. I think I need like the same.
They have Bath and Body Works. And I have 30% off this, so this will be a deal at 30% off. Isn't this a deal too? They have a bunch of Bath and Body Works stuff. This one is totally used though. Is When even like, is that like a deal? I don't even know if that's a deal. I'm gonna Google it and see how much this costs. I saw something interesting already over here. This bag. Oh, it's so cute. Isn't that cuteness personified? It's super cute. $30? Yes. What is all this other stuff right there? Oh, I have this Gucci belt. No marking on it though. Excuse me. Thank you.
They're kind of ridiculous.
Yeah.
$30 for that.
For that small thing?
Yeah.
Here's an authentic Dooney for $19.99. These can sell for like $40. Plus we have 30% off. This mat is cute. $24.99? Maybe. It's a little bit more toe up from the flow up. Like, there's like some rippage there. not as good quality as the one I'm holding. 20 bucks. Kipling, $17. So if you find anything good today. Bucket bag. Oh, Victoria's Secret. That's kind of cute, but 20 bucks. No bueno. Nothing?
Worse selection here than another one.
Well, we have one more. Okay, let's just browse and see if we find any Longchamp. Base Epics. This sounds like something. Test it out. I think it's for like massaging like serums and stuff onto your face. I think. Philosophy, but it's half used. We might get it. Did someone open this and stole something? Okay, let's go look at the bags. Thank you for the help. Ooh, perfect. I will buy it. We are just coming from thrifting. We picked up a couple of good things today. I got great things, but good things. Not great, just good. I just finished hanging out with a friend, which you probably saw in the vlog. Just a friend. I guess I'll start the haul now. I picked up this Chanel box just because I love the Chanel, and it has a ribbon. Oh, hold on. We're driving. I thought it was a red light. Okay, so we picked up this Chanel box for like $1. It's super cute. It has a Chanel ribbon on it too, which is super cute. I'm just gonna use it as like home decor stuff, or maybe use it as like to put things inside, I guess. Put things inside. And then we picked that was from the Regent Value Village. I don't know why I keep buying these. It's like addicting. I keep buying these things. Brand new Bath and Body Works. This was $7.99. I had a $2 off coupon on this as well. So this ended up being $5.99 for 2. I think that's a good deal, is it? I'm not sure. The flavors or the scents are Super Smooth Body Lotion in Hello Beautiful and Twisted Peppermint. Oh, peppermint. Well, I guess it's very like Christmassy, I guess. So we got those two. Yeah. Hold on, we're still driving, so I can't show you the rest of the stuff. Yeah, I just went to Denny's to go eat some brunch, and then I did a couple of errands with friend. I did a couple of errands with him. Yeah, and then did a little bit of thrifting. I feel like I'm sunburned. Like, why do I feel sunburned? It's really hot right now. It's like plus 31. On Saturday, it's going to be super hot. It's going to be plus 36, which is like literally, I think, like 98 degrees. So we got those two things from the Regent Value Village. Oh, and we got one more thing from Regent Value Village, I think, which is actually kind of cool. I knew of this thing because I've heard of it before, but I've also purchased something similar at Winners. Like when it comes to skincare, I'm kind of knowledgeable of the tools and stuff that they use. So this was actually super cheap. This was $7.99 and I got $2 off of it. It is a face FX from Silken, something to do with your face. I don't know what it does. I think it reduces your pores and smooths it. I don't know, shit like that, you know. It's like I tested it out and it worked fine. It's called a Face FX Home Skin Innovations, and you turn it on. It's supposed to like do something to your face. I don't know what exactly, but it works. And I looked online and Googled it. This retails for like $159 US plus taxes and shipping. So that was a deal. I just have to I kind of briefly skimmed over what it does. So I kind of know what it does, but I don't really know what it does. Anyway, we'll look more into that. We also purchased this Philosophy Iced Orchid Shower Gel, Bubble Bath and Shampoo, and the Satin Care Shaving Cream, which was actually out at Dollarama when I went to go buy it, and good thing it's here. It was like $4 for that, and I got, I think, $2 off of that too. From the Pembina location, I got this Dooney and Bourke. I didn't get a discount on any of these bags. This one is a Dooney and Bourke. They lowered it. It was $40. They lowered it to $20. I didn't use my discount because it's in really good condition. I'm surprised that the tag isn't cut in this one, which is cool. And I think that I've sold something similar twice before, so I know this will sell for at least $40. It's really cute, bucket bag style. And then this bag is a little bit more expensive. It was $30, but it's in really great condition. Like, look, it says Gucci on the front. There's no wear on the handles. It says Gucci on the zipper pull, and inside is that kind of material in there. And it's a cute little tote, you know, like really cute tote to have. Get the Gucci look for less. Yeah, I also have a Depop now. So all my like things where I'm not sure it's authentic, I'm gonna post it on my Depop. I mean, on my Instagram selling page, which is Miss Philly selling page on Instagram. Link will be on the description bar, but I'll also put the link to my Depop on the description bar as well. It's just Miss Philly Local Lola, same as my Instagram, Miss Philly Local Lola. So yeah, but I'm gonna cross post things. I'm gonna post things on my Depop and on my Instagram as well, so that so people who don't have Instagram can go to Depop, people who don't have Depop can go to Instagram, whatever, you know. And then the last bag, I was kind of excited to see this. I was just like, okay, it must be just like a fake piece of crap, but it's not. It's actually really well made. It's this Firkin, so it's like a fake Birkin. It has the lock and the clochette with the key, and it has this 100% leather, really solid leather. Like it's actually a heavy bag. I'm just gonna stuff it so we can get the shape back, and you basically open it like the Birkin, and inside is all 100% leather too. It's called Borse in Pelle. Yeah, the inside is like leather too. I mean, there's a little bit of marks. I think it might be pen marks, but fuck, this is some good quality shit. Look at that. Like the last Birkin that I sold wasn't even a Birkin. It was like the Danier leather lookalike Birkin, and it wasn't as good quality as this. And like the white one that said Hermes Birkin on it, that was real leather. This leather is better, like thicker, more pebbled, more nicer. And it's such a cute color, right? Hello. Do I want to sell this? Do I? I don't know. I don't know. And there's like no wear on the handles. No, just a little bit of cracking on the glazing, but it's not the leather itself, it's the glazing. So cuteness. I like this bag. It's super cute. Oh, I can't wait to actually own a Birkin one day. Just not because it's functional, just because of the status symbol of owning it. And if you're a handbag lover, it's not even about showing off. It's just the fact that you love handbags and you know that the Birkin is like the holy grail of all handbags. So I would like to own one day. Yeah, it's not my dream bag, but I just would want to own one Birkin one day, or a Kelly, or both. Get that YouTube AdSense money rolling in. If you guys watch The Secret Life of Jeffree Star, you know that bitch has a multi-Birkins. In one scene, he was like, yeah, this is just my AdSense money. Oh, bitch, be jealous, but happy for you. Because I'm going to get that one day, too. I ain't even going to front. I know I'm going to get it one day. Anyway, guys, thank you for coming with me today. I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for spending your daily dose with Miss Philly. Bye!